into a million pieces and we can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The sky's a part of